Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some Bronx stew chicken. I put 1.5 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. If you guys the Montreal seasoning, you get it to the store to buy a Montreal seasoning. All right, they have the small one, they have the big size. 1.5 teaspoon of that. And I'm gonna add some Cajun seasoning. I don't have it in a bottle. I just have it in a cup. I'm gonna throw some Cajun seasoning on it. Oh, this is like a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, okay? I'm not putting any wet ingredients. It's gonna be mostly dry ingredients and some pepper flakes. I wanna see how this is gonna come out without using the wet ingredients. I'm using wet ingredients once I'm cooking. And a little salt. Remember the Cajun seasoning and the chicken seasoning have salt, okay? I'm gonna add some dried thyme. And mix this up. I'm gonna give this a nice fry, and I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna start the sauce. All right. I'm gonna fry it up now, and come back and show you guys. Okay, why is I'm frying? Okay. All right. I'll show you the next step. Now this is the second step. I'm frying the chicken. Okay. This was seasoned with Montreal seasoning, chicken seasoning, and Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, and dried thyme. And no wet herbs. I'm gonna put the red herbs, and then when I cook in the chicken, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna make a sauce, and then I'm gonna drop the chicken in with some potatoes, with the onion and garlic and ginger. Okay, so you guys continue to watch. This is something different I'm trying. With the Cajun season and chicken season. And it's fried, and I'm gonna turn it around like I'm doing fried fish, like nice and crispy. Alright, I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. That's the chicken we fried earlier. Now we're gonna make a sauce, and we dump this chicken in, okay? For the Bronx stew chicken. Alright, I fried this up earlier. I'll show you guys the season what we use. Alright, and this is how we fried now. I'm gonna make a sauce now. Alright, next step is a sauce now, okay? I'll show you the next step. Gonna pour some oil in the pan. Alright. Put a little bit of onion, not too much. I'll put some garlic. That's full flake garlic. Thyme, green seasoning, this is cilantro. I like mine a little spicy, with a little pepper. Mushroom soy sauce. piaz drip from Guyana. I like piaz drip. Not much, a little bit. A little bit of red wine. Red wine. Okay. Now I'm going to put the tomato paste. A little more tomato paste. That's a half a cup of tomato paste, okay guys? And after this you add some water and let it cook. Add the potato. And the potato almost finished. Then you can add in your chicken. And add some more onion at the end. I'll go with the hot water, okay? I'm gonna let this boil. I'm gonna add the potato to it. Let this cook down. And I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm gonna add the potato. Let this cook with the potato. This is a nice sauce I make here. You add carrots. You can add the carrots, but I don't have carrots. I don't have the peppers. I'm just gonna add the potatoes, okay? Come back and show you the next step. Alright. Once it boils, I'm gonna come back and add the potato and show you guys, okay? And now it's boiling. I'm gonna add some stuff. And add the potatoes. Okay? I have some potatoes here. Add the potatoes, okay guys? The potatoes in. I'm gonna add a cinnamon stick. And 2 cloves. Come back and show you guys the next. When it's cooked down, then I'm add the chicken. I fried the chicken is almost cooked already. Let's got this sauce cooking and add the chicken to it. Alright. I'm gonna add some sugar. Add some sugar. I'm gonna add some ketchup. some ketchup.
Alright, add some black pepper.
Add some black pepper. Always gotta taste to make sure you taste it and adjust the season, okay guys? Yeah, right. Let it cook, and then we come back, and when it cook down, we add the chicken, okay, and then taste and see if it need any more adjustment season, okay? Now I'm gonna add the chicken that we make earlier. Add the chicken that we fry earlier. Add the chicken. See the chicken. Some of the sauce. Some nice onions, fresh onions. Got some scallion, add a little scallion. Nice. Yeah. It's looking really good. Potato almost cooked. Sauce is getting thick. We should add some carrots, some peppers. Make this stew look really good. Come back and show you the finishing touch, okay? And then next 2 to 3 minutes. Alright? That's the finishing touch. Beautiful Bronx stew chicken. Look at that caramelized. See guys? 2 minutes smoke. Here we go. Just came off from the stove. Bronx stew chicken. Alright, it's Bronx stew chicken.